Okay, so today is Monday, May 4th, 2026. Um, yeah, again, I supposed to do it Sunday, but I didn't do Sunday, so I'm doing it Monday after I finish trading already. So yeah, for this week, I didn't have that many setup that I like. I mean, the watch list is long, but I don't know. I feel the like the index, I mean the QQQ especially is super extended. um the SPY doesn't look that extended, but it's like, I mean, they kind of look the same, but I mean, this one had a pullback to the moving average here. But I mean, from lows to, what is this, like 15% in like, what, like almost 3 months. Yeah, it's a big move, and everybody's expecting the pullback, but it's not happening. But if you look, RSP, the equal weight, is still not break out for all-time highs. So this one looks really good for the all-time high breakout. So if this start breaking, it could mean that we can get like rotation from one of the names that are driving the QQQ and the SPY, and get into other like names. Um, Ethereum also like all-time highs. Yeah, like everything is in all-time highs. Or I mean, not everything, but the indices. Um, yeah. So for this week, one of my main was Wacom. I took it here at the entry, um, expecting to break this high volume close here, this range here, and then I took it in the first like 2 minute candle, and then I sold it when I saw it that it started reverse and then it broke the opening range high. So yeah, that one was one of the main watch. Another main watch was CRML, and I took some a little bit. Uh, and on the gap, I mean, I have stopped lower there. I took some around, I think, here when it went down, and then it reclaimed view. So yeah, so I was waiting for this break here, but it didn't happen. So I let it pull back, and then when it started like holding and then coming back, I bought some here. Stop load of the day, and then I bought like a little bit more here on this break here, and now I'm holding it. So yeah, this one is one that I'm gonna keep. Uh, Looks good. And all the other things, I was not really excited about anything else. Like open is consolidating here, waiting for the branch. Car, I'm just like at this point just tracking. I'm not gonna trade it. So this one looks really good. But this one have earnings soon, so not buying it, just tracking. This one is the other one that was looking really good. Gonna keep this one for tomorrow too. Intel, again, this one is, I'm just like watching it. If we can go to like really extending that to like 1010, I'm probably gonna take some put. Um, on the other account, not here, but yeah, that one. Hames also like was like kind of like a good um buys there, but I'm waiting for also the break. PL. So again, against the moving average here, another good buy, but I pass on it. APOD. I mean, this thing keep waking everywhere. Like these two was really good, but then he got up, he went up, and then he just can keep coming, keep rejecting. So, I mean, until it doesn't clear this like 35.50 around this one, but it's looking good. If we can get like 2 more days and then break, fine with this one, and it's gonna go to like this range. It's gonna go really good, like almost an all-time highs too. So this one I'm watching, not ready yet. Bull, I mean, I pass on it, but this one was really getting really good here. I mean, pull back and then it's starting to go. Um, I pass on it, but this thing could go to like the 200. You take like 200 shares. I mean, can make good move. And then the other one that I was gonna watch was GEV. I was gonna buy. Did buy here on the opening range break, but I pass on it too. This one is looking. I don't know. I'm like kind of like holding a little bit in getting new position for now. I don't know. I feel like things need to go sideways a little bit more to set up, and also the market looks a little bit extended, so it keep going. But I mean, I don't know. I feel like there's not many setup like for example, I didn't have that many breakout setups setting up. A lot of things need like more sideways, maybe like 1 or 2 more weeks. So yeah, I got last week. I got stopped out of almost everything. Um, and I also got stop out of most of the trades that I started last week. So last week it was just like mostly it was all about stop outs and trailing stops. So from last week, the only thing that I'm still holding is this MU. I mean, this MU is just being crazy. Yeah, CMU is being crazy. And the French, like, I don't have, no, I probably sell some here. The last piece here, I mean, it's getting extended from the 10. Probably, I don't know, maybe I should hold for, but just in this extension, I'm up like, what, like, almost 100 in just in this extension here. So if I let it like pull back to the 10, it's like I'm gonna be losing like probably like 5 or 6 hours. Um, but again, like it's in all-time highs, so it can go back to like 600, 700. I mean, who knows? But yeah, I mean, semi-set looks kind of extended too. Yeah, I mean, I'll probably take some off of this MU and let it set up again. I pass on these sandies here and then it just like exploded. It's my other position. HP, this breakout here looks really good. I bought it here, sold most on this in this extension, and then it set up again. I bought some here, have the stuff here, and then if we can push to 30, would be good. And then today, CML, yeah. I got stuff out of everything last week. Okay, so the account, again, this was today before open. You know, it's a little bit up more, but was today before open. 931. You see, I got stop out of everything and a lot of stop out last week on my trade sealer. Again, like what I said last week, mostly like a stop out week. And then for this week, not that many setups for now. Things need more sideways, not that many setups. And hopefully, like we can start getting setups again. I mean, but we probably need to wait like a couple weeks. But that's it.